Welcome to how to install free apps tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to install After Effects for free. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to search for Adobe and then click on Adobe Creative Cloud. So from here you need to click on Start Free Trial and then you need to click on Continue. As you see, you can change your email if you want to change it, and then click your email and then sign in. I will sign in my account. So after you sign in, go back to the screen and then click on your payment and then add your payment method. As you see, I added my Visa card. So after you add your payment method, you can click on Start Free Trial and then enjoy all the apps that you want from Creative Cloud. Also, if you want to get a specific app, you can go to that app website and then you can do the same steps. So after you click on Start Free Trial, you will get a free trial for 7 days, and if you don't want to get billed, you can cancel before the payment time comes. Or you can actually transfer all the money from your Visa card so that it won't get billed. Also, if you got billed by accident or you didn't cancel, don't worry, you can get refunded if you cancelled in 14 days. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.